guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the honey bun wrapper with the windows cut out. This is how it looked. It came out super cute. And I'm also going to show you how you can do the other options. You can do it without the windows cut out, or you can do it with still an image of a honey bun, but you don't have to worry about cutting out the window. So if you're interested in learning how to make these, make sure you watch the video to the end. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. Alright guys, let's hop into the tutorial. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to canva.com. If you haven't already created a free account, you will need to create one. And we either can select the shortcut option, which is the certificate, and it's 11 by 8.5, or we can go over here, select custom size, make sure it's in inches, and type in 11 by 8.5 and select create a new design. Here are the measurements for the template. I will show you in the next step how to add your window for your cutout. Alright, so now that we have our template created, if you didn't want the cutout window, you can just go ahead and start designing your wrapper any way that you like. But if you want the cutout window, this is how you do it. So we're going to head on over to Elements. We're going to scroll down to Shapes and we're going to select the circle. We want to resize this circle to 3.5 width and 3.5 in height. Now we want to center this. And we're going to change the color to white. And this is your circle. This is what you would cut out. That way you can see the honey bun package once you assemble your wrappers. But if you want your honey bun logo or the word honey bun to be in the middle, this is how you would do it. You would go back to Shapes, select your square, and we want to resize this to 4.2 inches in width and 1.7 inches in height. Now we're just going to bring this to the center of our circle. And that's it. From here, we can start creating our design. Remember, nothing is going to go in this white area. This is going to be the area that we cut out. All right, so before we get started designing our wrappers, I wanted to show you all another way that you could have the same effect of being able to see the honey bun without actually having to cut out the window opening. So what you'll do, you'll go back over to Elements, you'll scroll down to Frames, and you want to select the circle frame here. We're going to resize this frame to 3.5 by 3.5. Okay. We can actually delete that circle and replace it. We're going to center this. Okay, the next thing you want to do is head on over to Google and search for an image of a honey bun. You can also search for images here in Canva. They do have a lot of free images that you can use. Let me see, can I find a free image? Okay, I see that they do have several honey bun images, but most of them are pro images, meaning that they are only free to use if you have the pro edition of Canva. And if you were to add them to your design, you would be asked to purchase the images. So to avoid this, just head on over to Google and search for a honey bun image. But since I'm already here, I'm just going to use one of Canva images. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to size this image down. And I'm going to drag and drop it into the frame. Now I don't want to see that yellow part, so I'm going to crop this. And I'm just going to keep resizing it until all I can see is the honey bun. Okay, that looks good. Now I have my image of the honey bun. Now I'm going to go to the position tab and I'm going to push backwards. Now you still have the effect of seeing a honey bun, but you don't have to cut out the actual window. Also wanted to mention, if you choose to go with the photo option of the honey bun, after you finish pushing that image back, you want to go up and lock the image, because if you don't lock it as you're designing, if you accidentally place a clip art close to the image, the clip art would actually fill in the frame. Let me show you what I mean. So if I were to add this clip art, let me unlock this. If the frame is not locked, if I put this clip art too close to the frame, it actually fills it in like that. So to avoid that, you would just make sure you lock your frame, and that way if you do put a clip art too close, it's not going to fill in the frame. Alright, so next we can head on over to our upload tab and upload all the clip arts, images, and different backgrounds we may want to use in our design. If you have Canva Pro like I have, you can actually save your clip arts in different folders to help you keep them organized. I'm going to be creating a bee theme wrapper, so I just pulled up my bee folder. You can actually click on each section of your template to change the color. Remember, nothing is going to go in this white area. This is going to be the area that we cut out to create our window. When you're ready to add text, you can click the text tab. You can adjust the size by dragging it, or you can go up to the numbers. And that's it. I'm about to quickly create my design, print, and assemble. Stay tuned. Right, so I'm going to be printing my wrapper out on glossy photo paper. So remember, when you're printing on glossy paper especially, make sure you go into your printer settings and set it for the type of paper that you're using. So for my HP printer, in order to prevent the ink from smearing and coming off and not drying completely, I have to go in and set it. The paper type needs to be set to either photo paper or glossy paper. And the print quality needs to be set to best. Under these settings, I have no issue with the ink coming off. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video to the end. If you all found the video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. For those of you who are interested in a pre-made version of this template, if I have it available, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. And you can also find the links to all the material that I use in this video. Thank you all so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.